Okay, so we're going to go make a quick video to explain to you how to do this real fast. First, when you get to this page for activity 4, make sure to click right down here where it says click to download the activity. This is going to make a copy of the activity for you. We will save it in your Google Drive, so you'll have a copy of it. If you want to rename it, you can, but you will be turning this in at the end of the week. So make sure that up here you have the name of it and you know what the name of it is. So right now it just says copy of rate of change from tables. And again, you can change that if you want to, but you will be turning this in, so make sure you know what the name of it is. This is going to be a real basic cut and paste activity. The directions is that for each row going left and right, you want to match a table with the correct rate of change and the correct slope. So you're going to be matching these three things together. And all of your missing pieces are going to be below on the second page. So if you scroll down, here are all of the different pieces you're going to be cutting and pasting into the worksheet on top. So you can start with a table. You can pick any table you want. I'm going to click on this one. If I press Control and X, it will cut it. And then I'm going to scroll up, click inside the box here for the first table, and then press Control V and then paste it. So now that I have a table here, what I want to do is I want to determine what the rate of change is so that I can find that rate of change and plug it in right here. So I'm going to scroll back down, and here are all the different options for you to choose from, the different type of rates of change. And you want to find out which one of these matches with this right up here. So we can see that we're going to start with the Y column on top, and I've got two different numbers here I need to subtract. Now in class, the numbers we've subtracted were right here in the middle. So I would subtract either 5 minus 8 or 8 minus 11. So I'm going to scroll down and see which one of these has those numbers, 5 minus 8 or 8 minus 11. And I can see right here the very first one, Y equals 5 minus 8, that matches. So I'm going to click on it. I'm going to press Control X to cut it. Scroll back up. Click in my box for the rate of change and press Control V to paste it. And I can now compare with the X value over here. 3 minus 2, 3 minus 2, that works out right there. So this is a good slope or rate of change that matches the table. Now let's find the simplified slope value. I've got negative 3 over 1. That's a fraction, and it can simplify into negative 3. So I go back down here to my slopes now, and I look for negative 3. This time my slope of a negative 3 is way over here. So I click on it, press Control X to cut it, scroll back up, click inside the box, press Control V to paste it, and now I have three different representations of the information. I've got a table, a rate of change, and a slope. And I'm going to do that for the rest of the three examples below and put them into the three rows right there.